Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X200 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on your device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will extend the list of visible toggles, and then on one of the pages you should have a power saving mode. For me it is on the second page right over here, battery saver. Once you see it, tap on it. It brings up this window letting you know what will be happening when you enable it, and we're just going to select turn on, and that's it. Your power saving mode is now enabled. You can also see that the battery little inlay just gets changed in color to indicate that it is right now enabled, and the dark mode gets also enabled. Now once you're done with power saving mode, you can find this toggle once more, tap on it once again to revert back to the original settings. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.